Sani SCC 40,000. It is a brand new lattice boom crawler crane, which has been made in China. It is designed to perform demanding construction projects with great performance and precision. It has a maximum lifting capacity of 4,000 tons and a maximum load moment of 90,000 tons. Its boom is 393 feet high and can lift a load of 2,000 tons at a height of 328 feet. It has a counterweight system that travels independently on tracks. In 2015, it was used for the first time for the installation of large components in a chemical plant in China. Lamson LTL 3000. It is a crawler crane with great versatility and precision, which has been manufactured in the United States. It is designed to provide excellent stability in heavy work and to be easily transported in conventional trucks. It is used in construction jobs that require great maneuverability and can be adapted to different situations for lifting loads. Its main boom has a height of 387 feet and a maximum lifting capacity of 3,000 tons. Its counterweights are assembled, and it has full mobility capability while holding a load. XCMG XGC 88,000. It is a lattice boom crawler crane which has been made in China. It is used to lift heavy parts in large construction projects in different countries. Among its main applications are petrochemical facilities, coal power plants, or nuclear power plants. It has a total height of 500 feet and has 3 diesel engines with 2,580 horses in total. It has a maximum lifting capacity of 4,000 tons and a maximum load moment of 88,000 tons. This crane set a record by lifting a load of 2,155 tons to a height of 420 feet. Zoomlion CCC 9800. It is a heavy-duty crawler crane that has been manufactured in China. It is designed for construction work and is currently used for the assembly of wind turbines with a height greater than 490 feet. It has a maximum lifting height of 584 feet and weighs 800 tons. Its great lifting capacity also allows it to lift a weight of 110 tons to a maximum height of 540 feet. Since it began to be used in 2018, this crane has already installed numerous wind turbines, setting new records in the wind industry. Manitowoc 31,000. It is a crawler crane manufactured in the United States used for the construction of nuclear power plants or sports stadiums. It is designed to be disassembled, moved, and assembled in 4 weeks. Its boom can reach a maximum height of 685 feet, and it has 2 engines with 1,200 horsepower in total. It has a maximum lifting capacity of 2,300 tons and a maximum load moment of 35,800 tons. It features an innovative self-supporting variable position counterweight, which minimizes crane space and setup work. DMAG CC 8800. It is a lattice boom crawler crane which has been manufactured in Germany. It can be used for the installation of petrochemical plants, power plants, or wind turbines. Its main boom has a height of 511 feet and can reach up to 787 feet by adding an accessory. It has 2 diesel engines with 1,046 horsepower in total and 1,814 foot-pounds of torque. It has a maximum lifting capacity of 3,200 tons and a maximum load moment of 26,800 tons. It can be equipped with a maximum counterweight of 1,875 tons, and its crawler train measures 47 feet in length. Mammoet PTC 200. It is a ring crane with great reach and lifting capacity, which has been manufactured in the Netherlands. It is used to operate large construction projects, installing heavy components efficiently in industries such as petrochemicals. Its boom can reach a maximum height of 807 feet and has a maximum reach of 623 feet. It has a maximum lifting capacity of 5,000 tons and a maximum load moment of 200,000 tons. It is equipped with a maximum counterweight of 3,500 tons, and its ring base measures 183 feet in diameter. Liebherr LR 13,000. It is a crawler crane designed to lift extreme weights that has been manufactured in Germany. It is used in the construction of refineries, wind farms, or power plants. It has a maximum height of 813 feet and a working radius of 525 feet. It has one motor with 1,340 horsepower, and its boom can be configured in 4 different ways. It has a maximum lifting capacity of 3,000 tons and a maximum load moment of 65,000 tons. It can use a 1,500-ton counterweight, and its crawler train is 72 feet long. Saren's SGC 250. It is a ring crane that has been manufactured in Belgium by the Saren's company. It was inaugurated in 2018 and has been used in the construction of nuclear power plants. Its main boom measures 525 feet and can reach a height of 820 feet. It has 128 wheels and rides on a 157 diameter double ring. It has 12 engines with 5,000 horsepower in total and is equipped with a 5,200-ton counterweight. It has a maximum lifting capacity of 5,000 tons and a maximum load moment of 250,000 tons.